888. Infinite potential awaits. If you're seeing this, the universe is screaming 888, the code for limitless abundance, to remind you, doubt has no power here. When inspiration strikes, you become unstoppable. Every idea, every spark of courage is a direct line to miracles. You're on the brink of extraordinary. That project you're wrestling with, the dream that feels too big, the friction you feel is just the universe aligning to launch you. So don't you dare give up now. Delete "I can't" from your vocabulary. Trade fear for furious faith. Take one more step, then another. 888 doesn't negotiate with doubt. It thrives on bold action and unshakable belief. Your inspired mind is the master key to doors you've yet to see. The world needs your magic. Go make it. The universe is your co-pilot.